Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today it's your boy the Black AK and I'm here to treat the issue of verification, especially if you are in Nigeria. So when it comes to verifying your account, or when you first sign up on NoOnes, you have access to a level 1 verification that allows you to trade to a maximum of 700 USD daily. But if you want to get more out of the platform and you want to be able to trade higher figures, or even be possible to able to set your offers, you need to do your verification, getting verified into level 1, from level 1 to level 2, from level 2 to level 3. These verifications have different requirements and we're going to check them out. So let's go. So when you open your NoOnes dashboard, you have to come to your right hand side. You will see my limits, and as you can see in this new account I just created for this purpose, it is written level 1 and it has a daily limit of 700 USD. I can only deposit and send that crypto, and I can only buy and sell on the marketplace. I cannot create offers. Now this is just because this first level of verification is usually just your email verification, and with it we have to limit your operations on the site. This increases the security of other users and even yourself too on the platform. So to be able to change this, you need to click on increase limit. Now increasing limits takes you to the verification page. As you can see, it is boldly written verification, and if you look, I have email verification verified and I have name and birth verification verified. What's left is my phone number and my ID verification. And before we get into that, you need to look at the bottom here. You see that level 1 has the name and the email verified, and I can only buy Bitcoin, convert, trade, and I have a lifetime trade and send that limit of 10,000 USD, and I can do external deposit address. But if I move on to level 1 plus, I have my name, I have my phone, I have to verify my phone and I have to do my basic verification, and now I can publish offers. Yes, I can publish offers, but I still have a lifetime trade of 10,000 USD and my external deposit address. But when I take it up to level 2, that means I have verified my phone and my ID has been verified. I have no limits. I am absolutely limitless when it comes to the things I can do on the NoOnes platform. So since I've done email and name, all I have to do is click on my phone verification, and it takes me to the phone verification page where I can input my phone number and verify. Now for me, I can't input my phone number now because I have an account that's already verified, but you that are just signing up can do the same and get your account verified. And also once that is done, for those in Nigeria, you can click on ID verification, select your issuing country. I mean, we're Nigerians, so remember this ID verification requires your passport ID, okay? So or your driver's license, or more recently your NIN. So if I search for Nigeria, NIGE, I can select the ID type I want to verify with. I can verify using my driver's license, my ID card, my national identification number, which is your NIN, my passport, my residence permit. I can try the basic KYP, the new one on the NoOnes platform. And once that is done, I click understand and I start the verification process, which according to this here states that it takes up to an hour and you are done. Remember, verification helps me identify you and helps you identify me on the platform. It keeps the platform more secure against scammers, and we're able to trace any form of wrongdoings on the platform. I mean, so what are you waiting for? Do your verification now so you can enjoy more access on NoOnes. Peace out.